Loading cargo. Correct handling of tank valves.
An abrupt change in liquid flow velocity will cause a pressure surge effect. Major problems may occur simultaneously due to the pressure surge, such as tripping of the shore pump due to excessive pressure, or damage to a loading line, dresser, joint, connection flange, or valve. Since the problems are not limited to the end tank alone, it is essential that the valve be operated with extreme care. Gradually throttle and adjust the valve carefully so that the flow of oil is not changed abruptly. Flow rate adjustments of butterfly valves can be performed easily. However, when the flow rate changes abruptly in valves that have been opened by 50%, adequate care should be taken to operate the valve gradually. Open and close the valves in steps until the intended degree of valve opening. Do not leave it in a prolonged opened or closed position. Change the oil flow rate by throttling the valve further from 50% to 30%. When the valve opening is about 30%, the oil flows in slowly. At about 20%, the flow of oil is so slow that it appears to have stopped. It is important to keep the valve open to about 30% before the target ullage is reached.